InDesign's 2025 updates offer tools to help designers work faster and smarter. Quickly extend or fill empty spaces in your design with AI-generated content that matches your layout. Increase the size of the frame, not the image. Go to Window, then Text to Image and click Generate. No need to add a prompt, just let it do its magic and choose from the various options it gives you. It's perfect for creating seamless page designs without additional assets. AI now adjusts image crops more intelligently, ensuring key elements stay in focus. Place an image in a frame, then check the Content-Aware Fit option in the Properties panel. InDesign adjusts the image to fit perfectly where the subject is the main focus. Turn plain text into dynamic design elements with AI-generated images directly in InDesign. Go to Window, then Text to Image. Create a frame the size that you want the image. Insert a prompt to describe the image you require. Choose from the options or ask InDesign to generate more. Effortlessly create custom images that are royalty-free. Unlock your creativity with our Adobe courses. Scan the QR code to explore our website and master the Creative Suite today.